Hey, all of you out there in the Zen Gen Nation. Hope you're having a wonderful mind, body, spirit, sensational day. Today, I got a handy do-it-yourself lesson for you on insect repellent using something you might not ever thought of using before. It's made out of tea bags, and they're pretty darn effective. And I happen to have a lot of them because I drink a lot of tea. So this is a great way to recycle, protect the environment, and help keep away those pesky mosquitoes and flies. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is remove the staple from the top of the tea bag if there was one on there. Most of them will. Just be careful, don't poke yourself or anything, but we're going to remove the staple, set it on the side. Next, what we're going to do is open up the bag very carefully, and then we're going to lay it down and spread it out on our surface. Gently tap it, get all the tea onto one side. Then we're simply going to start at the side where all of the tea is down at. We're going to fold in the edges, tighten it up a little bit, keep that from moving around. Starting at the base where all the tea actually is, and pack it down and start rolling. And we're going to grab our twine. Like I said, I like to use the hemp twine. Make sure that you use something that's all natural. That's why I use the hemp. You don't want to use anything that has toxic materials in it, or like nylon or anything, because that'll just melt and it won't hold your incense together. You want about an arm from your wrist up to your shoulder. That's what I use for measuring. Tie a loop. And if you want to, sometimes you can add some extra ingredients. I like, in this one I'm going to put in just a little bit of sage. But you don't have to, just regular tea will work. I'm just showing it for this example. Typically I won't put anything in it, but sometimes I like to mix it up, and guess what? Bugs don't like sage either. Citronella, sometimes they use citronella as well. I have a couple of citronella plants, so I'll dry those out and shred them and mix it in as well. Now stick the loop under your roll. I like to put the loop on the tail end of the bag, the way that you see in the video, because that way it helps to hold it when I pull tight. It keeps it from spreading open again. And tighten it up a little bit and simply start rolling. You don't have to make it too tight, and you actually don't have to wrap it around the entire bag. Just get a little bit snug so it doesn't open up or anything. And tie your ends off. And once you do that, you're ready to go. Pardon my promotion of Rock Solid Fitness. It's our sister company. Be sure to check out Rock Solid Fitness for all of your apparel, gear, workout fitness gear. There's Rock Solid Fitness gear. There's Rock Solid Fitness men's shop and Rock Solid Fitness ladies as well. Alright. Now after that brief commercial that we had, let's go ahead and fire up our incense. The tools for this portion of it is a lighter and something and a base to step it on. I'm just going to use the pot. Now what you want to do in lighting this is get the flame on there until it catches fire and gets a little bit of a smoke. You want that tip to get black. Once you see the smoke starting to go, you're good to go. It's going to keep going. Bye bye bugs. Rock solid fitness. Hope you all enjoyed that lesson. Recycle, reuse, and have a wonderful day.